Monday. Tomorrow, you are catching fish. You can do this. Everyone else believes in you. You need to start believing in yourself.
It's on.
Is it going?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, behind the scenes, Nate already landed this fish, so it counts that we landed this fish, but we'll grab her right here. And this guy, I just dropped down. Mike lost a fish, and luckily we were able to snag it from him, I believe. Mike's only 10 feet away from me, and I seen the mark come down from his live scope over there. And then the old flasher scope picked him up and sniped it off of him. So
that's probably an eater, hey?
That's a nice eater. Beautiful. This would fill the quotas around here very quickly. One more beautiful green. Look at the frickin' color on this frickin' greenback. All right, put him in the cooler. Are you measuring him?
22 1/4.
And I forgot to say, this is my first fish of the trip. Thanks to Mike over there. I see them.
I don't think you do because you're not seeing anything.
Well, they're not really reacting.
There's another one coming even behind that yet.
Okay.
And it should be coming right now.
Yeah, he's on top of me, actually, not even under me. That one on my dead stick. Can't wait to review the footage and be like, how long has this idiot been not washing his rod?
There you go. There you go.
One more. Thing barely bends the rod when I hold it on a medium light. Get out of here, Mike. Quit watching me.
It's hard not to.
Don't look at me. Choked it. Choked it. Here.
Congrats on your first greenback.
Another nice, probably 20-incher here. 28-incher. All right, back down the hole. That one was caught on the tungsten dinner bell, but I upsized the treble hook. All right, we're gonna stop fishing here for a little bit. Well, we're still fishing, but over here we got Andrew, shore lunch manager.
The shore lunch man, yep. Sounds good.
Surprise, surprise. Look who's in line to eat. Fresh fish. You're gonna make these all fancy, aren't you? Yeah, get on that one. There you go. Up.
There we go. There we go.
Daniel have first fish. Oh, this is awkward. Oh.
Oh, man. Oh, whoa.
Wow! You called it.
It's a greenback!
Got him.
So Mike could see all the fish in his live scope. But he's over here snooping around. There's a nice little greenback. All right, spot one treated us pretty good, eh, Mike?
Not bad.
Caught a couple of nice walleye, and now I think we're just gonna move on for the primetime bite. Shore lunch was absolutely amazing. Big thanks to Andrew. Let's go catch some big fish. All right, spot number 2. Get it, Mike! Get it! Get it! It's barely hooked!
Oh, jeez.
Get it, Mike! All right, hold it to the camera for me. Tell us how we caught it.
Man, I was sitting there and I had this, it looked like a frostbite dinner bell, and I was smashing on the bottom, and it just absolutely came up and just choked it. Absolute choke. This thing is a 27, biggest fish of the day.
Biggest fish of the day right there. All right, we'll make it look bigger than Mike. Ended up getting this nice, probably 23-inch fish here. And we got Jay coming over here because he thinks we landed an absolute monster. But we're gonna dip her back, and look how big this fish looks. It's all about perspective, people, when you're filming. You can either hold it like this, or you can hold it like this, you know?
I thought you said 27.
No, Mike said 27. So that's what a dead stick is for, eh? Finally got one on it. Yeah. Peter walleye! Actually, Mike releases these apparently. Yeah, this is too big for Mike's repertoire. All right, so just as I was talking some ish about dead sticks, what's the point of dead sticks? Well, I guess this is the point of dead sticks. You learn something new every day.
Welcome to Nate's room. Wait, well, actually,
We'll just say anything. Say, look at this nice
anything.
bed.
Look at this amazing room. We are at Gull Harbour Resort. Pillows. You want big pillows, small pillows, hard pillows, soft pillows. A fan if you're too hot. A fridge if you're really too warm. You just run that puppy with the door open. Microwave, so you can do your own cooking.
Show us the bathrooms quick. Show us the bathrooms.
After my history, and you're willing to have me show you the bathroom? Look at this, folks. Oh my word! The noisy fan, which is actually way more important than you might think.
Like imagine you have your girlfriend staying in here and she goes potty and you don't want to smell her.
Oh, I wondered where we were going with that.
Is that a sliding door or an opening
It's
door?
a sliding door. It only took me about... So, folks, if you ever stay at Gull Harbour, don't stand here going like this with the shower, because it's actually a sliding door. It takes a little minute to figure that one out, but there you go. Nice little floor mat. It's got everything. Spare plug. Hot and cold running water. All the amenities. Conditioning shampoo, shower gel, lotion. Wow. This is a lot nicer than where I usually stay. Your own individual coffee maker, coffee mate, if you're into that sort of thing. Pretty much got it all. Oh,
What do we have in the freezer?
look at this. A freezer full of the finest. That's wild. Who knew? That's crazy. All right, do I look black tie? It's 7 o'clock, isn't it? Dinner. Time for dinner.
Yeah!
There's so many cameras. This guy's locked me in here. It's hard to breathe. Where's the temperature? Temperature. Oh, close that door. That's hot. And now the door is stuck.
Dude, I'm so sorry.
It's like a turtle
So
going back in its shell.
we're just hanging out here.
Never mind.
And
I was trying to keep this.
Nate and Jay call me over. They're like, hey buddy, get in, there's lots of room.
Read on the go under. It's pretty amazing. Here comes Stagg. How are we all four?
Welcome, Daniel. Do you want to jump in?
This is gonna be. There we go. Look at Mike. You got this, Mike. Proud of you, brother. Look at him. Right there, that takes willpower. That's amazing.
Cover your tits.
I'm gonna go fend to fend.
Concentrate on the breathing.
Let's go down. Ready?
Concentrate on the breathing.
Nope, we're not doing it.
Mike, come on.
Nope, I'll be honest.
Right?
Excuse me, I'm gonna get out for a second.
Just give him a hug.
Like, seriously, the audio when you go under is wild. It's like having a slushie in your head.
If you guys are wondering what's under here, it's a rock bottom. Kind of hard on the toes. Hard on the toes.
So the crew went out fishing today. I was busy doing some just reconnaissance of like the surroundings here. Apparently I've been cut off, which they tell me is different than being broke off. There's all this fishing terminology. So I've been cut off, but all I said is I want to shut the place down. And they're like, well, turn off the lights when you leave. So I don't know what's going on here. Where did everyone go?